Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're not inside the stitchery today. Today is a tutorial video. Tutorial for what, you ask? Well, you learned how to make some stitches. Wouldn't you like to know how to make stuff with those stitches? So today we are doing something for the half double crochet. We are making a coaster. Now I know a coaster doesn't sound that exciting, but for your first project, it's a good one. I can't tell you how handy a coaster can be. I have made so many coasters in my life. I was addicted to making coasters for years. You will see pictures in the next slide. But coasters are extremely handy. So if you're ready, grab a hook, grab some yarn. Let's get started. Coasters. Make coasters. I made so many coasters when I was first starting out. I think everyone in my life had a coaster. And it doesn't matter. They use them. They do. You can give them to your hospitals, to, the little receptionist, the reception station. They don't get thought about. Give them to teachers. Put them with your kids, end of the year stuff, or just because. And they're great handmade coasters. People use them. And you know what, guys? They are not much bigger than a Post-it. Okay, they're a little bit bigger than a Post-it, but not much. So you can finish quickly, feel accomplished, and have somewhere to give them. Coasters, you guys. Coasters. They are fantastic. And oh yeah, I'm going to show you how to make a coaster right now. This is a 4 worsted 100% acrylic yarn. A light color, like I asked you guys to get in our what essentials do you need for a beginner. And we're going to chain 17. Relax, you don't have to make 17 stitches. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We actually only need 15. So 17 and 16 are what? Did someone say turning chains? Good for you. Yes, they are. They are turning chains. We're going to crochet in the back bump because we want to make our lives easier. So we are going to wrap, go through the back bump, and we are making half double crochets. Single crochets are great. Half double crochets are faster. We are going to half double crochet in every back bump, and by the end of this row, you should have 15 half double crochets. If you guys need to pause the video at any time, please feel free to do so. First row is always a little bit tricky. The back bump's easy to find, but not the easiest to get your hook in all the time, especially if you have a round head, which I do. Take your time, there's no rush. You want the foundation row to be good. Okay, now we are going to count our stitches. Remember, ignore these 2 chains right here. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yay! Okay. We're going to chain 2. This stitch right here, half double crochet. This entire thing is made of a half double crochet, you guys. Entire thing. Make sure you're crocheting where you see the V's. Okay. I know I'm going fast. Feel free to pause the video if you need to. Real quickly, make sure you crochet here and not there. Chain 2. We're already on row 3, you guys. Already on row 3. This is row 3. So, you are going to make for 8 more rows, and I will meet you back when you get there. So make sure you have 11 rows. Count them. So this is a row, 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 this is a row. You get the point. Anything that looks like these 2 shapes. Don't count these little ridges, okay? Just count these shapes. Fasten off. And I'm just doing this with my fingers because I am in a different room with no tripod, so. There we go. And then weave in your tail. Weave in your tail in the back. Go back and forth through the stitches as many times as possible, just to make sure it's really sewn in. Don't forget to do that with your beginning tail as well. Here, I will show you a coaster that I have that was one of the first ones I ever made. So it's well loved, so it's really flat. I've used it a lot, but see? This is one of the first ones I ever made, and it works perfectly fine. And it's just half double crochet about 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can put a border around it or anything, but look, I didn't. And I've used it a long time. The other side's prettier, I think. But you have a coaster. I honestly always recommend keeping your first project. It's just kind of a sentimental thing. It's kind of cool to look back and see, you know, your progress later. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family if you liked this video and this content. And I hope you're enjoying the beginner series. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.